Hi, welcome back once again onto this channel. My name is Wood Cook. In this video we are going to make some hot pepper with kenkey, and basically these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have some pepper, ginger, onion and tomatoes. So these are the ingredients we are going to use in Ghana in a hot afternoon. And as a boy there, I be you bad that you know what we do. All you need is some pepper, tomatoes, onion, then you grab your sardine and kenkey. You are done for the afternoon. So basically that's what I'm going to do. So first I'll go ahead and chop my onions. So after chopping my onion, I'll then go ahead and put everything in a earthenware bowl or local blender apotoyua. So I'll put the ginger, the pepper and some of the onions in the local blender, what we call apotoyua. Then I'll grind it. Then before I will then add my tomatoes to it. So let's move straight forward to that place. So at this point I'll add my ginger, pepper, some onions to the apotoyua. Then I will then grind everything before I will then add my tomatoes to it. I will then go ahead and add some salt to it and grind everything together. But when you're adding the salt, ensure that you will not add plenty, because sometimes you will do it. Then at this point, there comes my tomatoes. I'll add my tomatoes. I mean, you look at the tomatoes. We are not in America. We are in Ghana, so I will then add my tomatoes. As usual, if you have not also subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also hit on the bell notification icon for updates like this on this very channel. I'm your faithful coach Wood, or you can call me Wood Cook. So I'll then go ahead and grind everything together. So I'm now going to add my chopped onions into the pepper sauce. So I'll place it nicely at this side. Then I'll then add my sardine, but before I'll have to pour in some oil from the sardine into the sauce. See how it is looking. Then I will then add my sardine to it. So with this, you are ready for your lunch. Your lunch is ready. So I'll then bring in my entel dokuno. Locally here we call it entel dokuno. Say we are seeing the winner entel dokuno and there's one day. I continue the entel dokuno bed about the count. Just you see the anese. I be set. Oh, do it just simple one. Cry, we are boy as a boy there. Then you are ready to go. So this is how I prepare my tomato sauce or pepper sauce with kenkey here in Ghana. As usual, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit on the bell notification icon. I'm currently having only 12 subscribers and I'm trying to hit 1,000. So if you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe and also share for your friends to also see as well. Thanks for watching. I'm out for this. You are invited.